Okay. Let's hear the breaths. Bigger breaths.
Alive.
Huh?
I said I'm alive.
Why you act nervous for?
Because I think you paid this guy like to take me out. That's what I think's going on.
Push your forehead against the table.
Okay.
Better. Okay. You're good. That's it.